You get a phone call from the police. They want you to come in and give a statement. They want your side of the story, or just clear up a few details. This may be confusing, this could be scary, but before you do anything, contact an experienced criminal defense lawyer and know what your rights are. My name's David Kiatta, and I'm with the criminal defense law firm of Segura and Kiatta. And today, I'm here to clear up a few things about what you should do and should not do if the police contact you to come in and just talk a little bit. I've been practicing criminal law for nearly 34 years, and I've seen a lot of great people just try to explain themselves and end up in a much worse situation. So before you talk to the police, contact a lawyer. And if you find the information in this video helpful, please click like and share it to others who may be in trouble. Here are the top 5 things you need to know before you talk to the police. First, you're not required to talk to the police without a lawyer. You have the absolute constitutional God-given right to have a lawyer sitting beside you if the police want to talk to you. So even if the police say the questions are just routine or they have a couple of facts they want to clear up, you need a lawyer sitting next to you before you talk to the police. Point number 2, you want to just clear things up because the police have contacted you and they tell you some things that are wrong and you just want to clear it up. The police can take something out of context and twist it and use it against you, and then when you've been trying to help yourself, you find yourself in handcuffs. So when you're trying to just clear things up and it's innocent behavior in your mind, the police may twist it and charge you with a crime. So point number 3, and a lot of people don't know this, but the police can lie to get you to talk. They'll get you to come in, sit down, and then tell you they have evidence that simply doesn't exist. Or maybe they'll say they have eyewitnesses that put you on the scene, or somebody else committed the crime that's pointing the finger at you as their co-conspirator. Well, look, it is legal for them to lie to you. Police lying to you is nothing more than a simple tactic to get you to talk. Point number 4, when the police call you and ask you to give a statement, they already think you did something wrong. So when they're calling you to say, hey, let's just clear up a few things, no. They want to pin down your story before they go to the DA and get a warrant for your arrest. Or they may even already have a warrant for your arrest and haven't told you about it. You deserve to know your rights before you talk to the police. And point number 5, and I can't stress this enough, talk to a lawyer before you talk to the police. Even if you're innocent, even when you have nothing to hide, it is imperative to know what your rights are. Because remember, the police can lie to you, they can trick you, they may try to twist your words, but it's important to have somebody next to you to protect you who is looking out for your best interests, because the police are not. You need to talk to a lawyer to understand what the risks are, what rights you may be waiving, and is there any possible benefit in talking to the police. Look, I know it's stressful when the police contact you and they may pressure you to come in and give a statement. But there are times when what you don't say is much more important than what you do say. So you need to talk to a lawyer to find out what is in your best interest. So here's the bottom line. If you've been contacted by the police, don't go it alone. Contact us at Segura and Kiatta. We can advise you of your rights. We can explain the situations for you and decide if it's in your best interest to even talk to the police. Don't go it alone. Let us defend you.